Hi, I'm Tanner, founder of Elemental Air Systems. I want to talk to you about air filtration efficiency. Most air purifier companies make a lot of bold statements about the pollutants their units remove. They use statements like, true HEPA removes 99.99% of pollutants, removes 99.97% of germs, destroys pollutants. But what do these claims even mean? And are they even true? Here we have a simple room with a black backdrop. We're going to put different air purifiers here. We're going to create particulates with this fog machine. And on the sides, we have these lasers that shoot in a fan pattern that are going to light up the particulates so we can see them. We're going to turn the air purifier on, pump fog towards it so it gets sucked into the air purifier. Then if any particles make it through, we'll be able to see them come out with the lasers. Remember, the air coming out of an air purifier is supposed to be clean. A HEPA air purifier must remove 99.97% of particles 0.1 microns or larger that pass through it. Otherwise, it's not HEPA. The fog particles we're using here range from 1 to 50 microns. Air filtration efficiency is the percentage of particles of a given size that are removed from the air by a filter compared to the total number of particles that enter the filter. Many air purifier brands claim their units are HEPA or remove 99.97% of particles, but as we can see, these smoke particles pass right through them. As we can see, Aspen is the only air purifier that pollutants can't get through. So before you purchase an air purifier, ask yourself, do I want the air in my house to be kinda clean, or do I want it to be totally clean?